Hi, I'm Charlisse and I'm going to take you with me on a quick tour to Goodyear Res Hall. So now we're inside Goodyear building. As you can see, it looks a little industrial. That's because it used to be a shoe factory before Dickinson got it. Now we're inside my apartment. This apartment has 5 single bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and I'm gonna show you my favorite part. This is our sunroom, and my roommates and I like to eat here in the mornings and start our day. Let's go talk to one of them now. Hi, Allie.
Hi.
I wanted to know what makes living in Goodyear different from living in any other residential hall.
I think it's a really unique space and I love all the industrial elements.
Yeah, I totally agree. Let's go see what Olive's doing. Hey, Olive!
Hey!
I wanted to know what you thought about the location of Goodyear.
I love the location. It's super close to my classes in Kaufman Hall. It's also only a short walk to the student hub.
Hey, Jenna! Hi! I was wondering what your favorite part of living in Goodyear was.
Living with an amazing group of people and also just living in an apartment, feeling like a grown-up, having all the facilities and everything.
And now we're gonna go to my room. My favorite part about this room is the view I have. I can see right to the Klein and to the ROTC building. Hey, Sarah! I love your wall. What is your favorite thing on this wall?
I think I have to say my tote bags. I collect them everywhere I travel.
And this is our kitchen. We like to cook here together and eat here together. It really just makes the place feel like home. So thanks for coming along, and I'll see you on our next residential hall tour.